Hey guys, we are back with the V-part install. Look at this, I'm just throwing the V-part on, making sure it fits, and it looks perfect and blends with her natural hair. She's so surprised. Her hair is braided down, and let me just point this out, your braids do not have to be perfect. All right, right now I'm just blow drying her hair out. I'm prepping it to be cut and shaped. You should always trim and shape your installs, including your wigs. This step makes a huge difference. It gives the hair a clean, seamless, finished look and helps it fall more naturally around your face. Once it's shaped, it doesn't look like you just threw a wig on. It looks more polished and customized. Even a small trim can completely elevate your final look. So make sure you trim your installs and wigs. All right, so we've washed the wig after cutting it and installed it, and now it's super seamless. She's shaking her head and you can see that it's secure. So I'm gonna take it off and kind of show her where she can place the clips. So my client is super tender-headed and doesn't really like heavy things on her head. So we usually have 2 combs on the side and 2 clips on each side at the top where your leave out is. And I'm showing her that she only really needs to either use the combs You can unhook the clips and just use the combs. So don't feel obligated to use all the combs and clips that are placed on the wig. So now we're parting her leave out down the middle, and we're using a little foam to help blend her natural hair with the curls. Her hair blends so seamlessly, so she doesn't need much. We just need a little foam here and there and just manipulate it into the V-part wig. All right, since this is her first time wearing a V-part wig, I'm trying to give her all the tips and tricks for all of this. She has a super small head. For any reason it doesn't feel snug enough, you can always use the adjustable band in the back. What you can also do is separate about 3 or 4 tracks and clip the bands over those tracks instead of under, and that will instantly give you a tighter, more fitted feel, almost like it's customized to your head. Another thing that helps with the fit is your leave out. If the wig feels too tight, you can leave out a little more hair. If it feels too loose, you can leave out less hair. That alone makes a big difference. And we have a sizing chart on our website that you can use as a reference before purchasing. So we carry a small, medium, large. This hair is super easy to maintain and such a good protective style. You can literally get up and go every morning. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes. Your braids can stay in for 2 to 3 weeks, even 4 weeks at a time. You can wash your hair weekly and just put the wig right back on. You don't have to keep taking your braids out and re-braiding your hair every time. The wig itself can be washed as often as you want. It's honestly a must-have. It's the best for bad hair days or when you just want to throw something on and look effortless. If you just don't want to maintain and manipulate your hair on a regular, this is a great way to leave your hair be and put it in a protective style. Look how natural it looks. You throw it on, take it off every night, and when you wake up, your hair still looks fresh like you never ever slept on it. Well, you didn't sleep on it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see more of. Thanks for watching.